One of the easiest things for a restaurant owner to overlook is the kitchen hood fire suppression system. Between managing employees, ordering inventory, helping customers, and keeping the kitchen moving, it's easy to assume that if everything looks fine, it probably is. Learning more about Florida Fire Solutions and restaurant kitchen hood fire suppression services made me realize how important these systems are for restaurants throughout Miami, Miami-Dade, Broward, Palm Beach, and South Florida. Many people think that having the exhaust hood cleaned means the fire protection system has also been serviced. They're actually two different things. Hood cleaning removes grease from the exhaust system, while a restaurant kitchen hood fire suppression inspection focuses on the life safety equipment designed to detect and suppress a cooking fire. Both services are important, but they serve different purposes. Florida Fire Solutions explained that commercial kitchen fire suppression systems are designed to protect cooking equipment such as fryers, grills, ranges, charbroilers, and other appliances that present a higher fire risk. If a grease fire starts, the suppression system is designed to activate automatically and help control the fire while shutting down fuel or electrical sources where applicable. That's why routine inspections and maintenance are so important. As I learned more about the process, I discovered that inspections involve much more than looking at the cylinder. A qualified technician checks the suppression cylinder, fusible links, detection system, discharge nozzles, nozzle caps, manual pull station, piping, and the operation of fuel and electrical shutoffs where required. The goal is to verify that every part of the system is ready to operate if a fire ever occurs. Another thing that stood out was how many restaurant owners simply aren't aware that these systems require periodic inspections. It's easy to assume that because the system has never discharged, everything must still be working correctly. In reality, components can wear over time. Fusible links may require replacement, nozzle caps can be missing, or other deficiencies may develop that aren't obvious during normal restaurant operations. Florida Fire Solutions also emphasizes the importance of maintaining clear inspection records. Whether it's for an insurance review, a property manager, or a visit from the local fire authority, having organized documentation helps demonstrate that the required inspections have been completed. Good documentation also makes it easier to track maintenance history and identify recurring issues before they become larger problems. Industry standards, such as NFPA 17A and NFPA 96, establish guidance for the inspection and maintenance of restaurant kitchen fire suppression systems. Understanding those standards isn't something most restaurant owners have time to do themselves, which is why working with an experienced fire protection company can simplify the process. One lesson that became very clear is that preventive maintenance is almost always less disruptive than waiting until an inspection uncovers overdue maintenance or deficiencies. Scheduling inspections on time helps keep restaurants operating smoothly and reduces the chance of unexpected compliance issues. Florida Fire Solutions provides restaurant kitchen hood fire suppression services throughout Miami, Miami-Dade, Broward, Palm Beach, and South Florida, along with fire extinguisher inspections and certification, fire sprinkler inspections, NFPA 25 inspections, and other commercial fire protection services. Having one company familiar with multiple fire protection systems can make scheduling and coordination much easier for restaurant owners and property managers. For anyone operating a restaurant, hotel kitchen, food truck, school cafeteria, healthcare kitchen, or another commercial cooking facility, understanding how the kitchen hood fire suppression system works is an important part of protecting employees, customers, and the business itself. Even though everyone hopes the system is never needed, regular inspections help ensure it's ready to perform if that day ever comes. Learning about restaurant kitchen hood fire suppression services gave me a much greater appreciation for the role these systems play in commercial kitchens. Staying current with inspections, maintaining proper documentation, and working with an experienced fire protection company helps support both safety and compliance. Florida Fire Solutions is one company that focuses on helping businesses understand those requirements while keeping the inspection process organized, straightforward, and professional.